Hey there! Today we're tackling a tricky problem related to Excel. The issue at hand revolves around a particular scenario where we want to prompt the user to fill in a specific cell if another cell is being updated. Remember, the key point here is that we need a solution to the problem that occurs in the interaction between cells A2 and B2. Now, let's dive into the solution that has been found for this Excel conundrum. The workaround involves using a formula that goes like this: equals countif $A$2 asterisk. This formula helps in triggering a prompt if cell A2 is empty while an input is being entered in cell B2. It's a clever way to ensure that the necessary information is provided in a structured manner within the spreadsheet. This solution seems to do the trick where the previous method fell short, providing a viable workaround for the issue at hand. In conclusion, we've explored a workaround for a pesky Excel problem that involves prompting users to fill in a specific cell based on the input in another cell. Utilizing the formula equals countif $A$2 asterisk proves to be a solid solution to address this challenge within Excel's functionality. Hopefully, with this workaround in place, you can streamline your data entry process and ensure all necessary fields are completed accurately. Thanks for tuning in, and remember to subscribe, like, and comment. Your support means the world.